How to make dua that gets accepted immediately. Making dua, supplication, that is accepted immediately requires sincerity, the right mindset, and adherence to the proper etiquette of prayer in Islam. Sincerity and presence of heart. The most important factor in having your dua accepted is sincerity, ikhlas. Your heart must be fully present and focused on Allah, believing deeply that He is listening and has the power to respond. A distracted or half-hearted dua is less likely to be accepted. Before making dua, take a moment to clear your thoughts and speak to Allah as your Lord, and the one who loves and understands you better than anyone else. Start with praise and salawat. Begin your dua by praising Allah and mentioning His beautiful names, Asma'ul Husna. Acknowledge His greatness, mercy and wisdom. Then, send blessings upon the Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is the sunnah way of starting dua and shows respect and humility. It opens the doors of acceptance, as Allah loves when we honor His beloved messenger. Choose the right times. There are specific times when duas are more likely to be accepted, such as during the last third of the night, between the adhan and iqama, while fasting, especially at iftar, during sujud, prostration, on Fridays, and on the day of Arafah. Making dua during these moments increases the chances of immediate acceptance, as they are times when Allah's mercy is descending in abundance. Use clear, humble, and hopeful language. Be specific and humble in your dua. Ask Allah with clarity and certainty, but also with humility and dependence. Avoid vague or overly general requests. Use words that show your need and weakness, and Allah's power and generosity. For example, instead of just saying, "Help me," say, "O Allah, I am weak and struggling. Grant me strength and make my path easy." Have firm faith and avoid hastiness. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said that a dua will be accepted as long as the person doesn't give up and say, "I made dua, but it wasn't answered." Trust that Allah is listening, and that He knows the best timing and way to respond. Sometimes Allah delays the answer, or gives us something better. Patience, along with unwavering faith, is key to having your dua accepted. Avoid haram and seek forgiveness. To increase the likelihood of your dua being accepted, ensure that your income, food, and lifestyle are halal. Consuming haram and living in disobedience blocks the acceptance of supplication. Also, seek forgiveness frequently. A clean heart makes it easier for your dua to reach Allah. Starting your dua with istighfar, asking for forgiveness, can remove the barriers between you and divine acceptance.